In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Brave look good browser. We're giving Brave a clean, modern look by setting up a minimalist start page, so every new tab feels organized and intentional. This is quick, beginner-friendly, and totally reversible if you ever want to change it later. First, open the Brave browser on your computer. You'll start from any tab. It doesn't matter what page you're on. Now, look to the top right corner of the window and click the three dots. This opens Brave's main menu where you'll find tools and settings that control how your browser looks and behaves. From that menu, click on Extensions, then select the option to visit the web store. This takes you to the official extensions marketplace where you can safely browse add-ons that enhance Brave. You'll see a search bar at the top. This is where we'll find the start page we want. In the search bar, type Bonjour, minimalist start page. You're looking for an extension designed to replace your new tab with a sleek, distraction-free layout. It typically features a clean clock, a tidy search field, optional shortcuts, and beautiful backgrounds without clutter. It's popular for a reason. It's fast, elegant, and easy to tune to your taste. Click on the listing to open its page, then click Add to Brave. The browser may show a quick confirmation. Go ahead and approve it. Once it's added, open a new tab and you should see the Bonjour layout right away. This is where the fun part begins. Customization. Start by choosing a background that fits your style. You can select a subtle gradient, a calm color, or a photo that sets the right mood. Keep in mind that lighter, low-contrast images make text easier to read. Next, adjust the layout. You can center everything for a balanced, minimal feel, or add a bit more spacing if you like breathing room. Toggle elements like the search bar, shortcuts, or a daily quote to match how you work. If you prefer pure focus, leave only the essentials. You can also fine-tune the clock, switching between 12-hour and 24-hour formats, and pick a font that feels crisp without being distracting. As you make changes, pause to open a new tab and see how it looks in context. The goal is a page that's both beautiful and practical. That's it. You open Brave, use the menu to reach the extensions web store, search for Bonjour, minimalist start page, added it to Brave, and customized it to your liking. Enjoy your refreshed, minimalist Brave experience.